Last year, there were or I think the year before, 2014, you mentioned in your article, there were 220 deaths resulting to truckies on our roads. Now, you made the very valid point that that's been on a steady decline since 1970-something. That's absolutely right. That's still 14 times the national average. It is still easily the most dangerous workplace in Australia. Not just for the truckie, and generally, as is the case, the passengers travelling the other way, the cars travelling the other way. I think you want to be very, very careful about fiddling with these sort of things. Let alone...
Oh, but come on, Sam.
Hold on.
You're telling me this tribunal does anything at all for safety?
Absolutely.
Nonsense.
Absolutely.
It does not.
The same report that you quoted in that, the PwC report, draws an incontrovertible link between safety and pay.
It does not. I've read that report. It does not.
That's absolutely not right. You can only pay people...
If I'd read it, I could have said who's right and wrong.
Well, if you'd prepared it all for your show, you could have done that. The loosest unit on TV here, ladies and gentlemen. But no, I mean, look, you can't deny...
Are you seriously telling me that this body of superannuated labour mates who are setting these artificial prices in the market have anything to do with safety? Are you saying that they can do more for safety than, say, active cruise control, which is now fitted to trucks?
Absolutely.
When you have it in, we could make that the law.
I'm not opposed to all these technological advancements. Of course not. Of course we should be doing. And it should be all of the above. When we've got 220 Australians dying on our roads, more than any other industry,
to do with safety.
Let me ask you a question. Can't you do all of the above without another tribunal, though? Like, can't you just have all of that in place and have the department keep an eye on it?
Clearly not, because people have still been dying at record rates.
We're not doing all of the above. That's the whole point. We're not doing, for example, the GPS idea that both sides of politics want.
Sure. But technology is moving and everyone's sort of catching up to it.